This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to pause your Amazon Audible membership. So right here on my Amazon Audible, I'm logged in through my Amazon account. You will need to do that as well. So up here in the top right, I'm on desktop, you'll see this Hi section here. So we see the current membership status. I currently have Audible Premium Plus. So what we need to do to pause is click on the View Membership Details. And now we have the membership section here. It will give you all of your, how many credits you have left, when your next billing cycle is, so on and so forth, how long you've been a listener for. So we can switch to membership, we can outright cancel by clicking this button, and we have the pause right here. So if we click on pause, it now gives us this: take a pause, pause payments, and access to benefits like new credits and included titles, but keep your credits until they expire. Learn more about pausing your membership. You can click that. That's a little link right there. So you've got this option. You can just choose to X out of that and not actually do it. And you can actually pause for 90 days. So they allow you to pause for 90 days. That's the current amount. There's no 30 days or anything like that. You can actually pause for 90 days. So if that's what you want to do, if that's why you're watching this video, you'll click this orange button for pause for 90 days and your Amazon Audible account will be paused. If you're unsure what is involved in that, you can obviously click this link right here and learn more about all of the ins and outs of what pausing actually entails. But the basic blurb from Amazon is that you will pause payments and access to benefits like new credits, but you will keep all of your current credits until they expire. So hopefully this video on how to pause your Amazon Audible membership has been helpful. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just